It has been estimated by scientists that there are about 8.7 million different species of animals spread across the globe. Today we will go on a journey of looking at 15 very unusual and weird animals that you probably have never heard about. But before we head on with the video, subscribe to our channel. Number 15. Axolotl. Axolotl salamanders, which are also known as Mexican walking fish, are not only really fish but amphibians. Axolotls are unique because they possess a pair of lungs as well as gills, unlike other amphibians that grow in water but lives on land. As adults, the axolotls chooses to stay underwater. They are adorable in appearance as they always appear to be smiling because of the shape of their mouth. In the wild, axolotls are found in a single lake of Mexico, which is Lake Xochimilco. However, many people prefer to keep them as pet as due to their cute feature and the fact that they are easy to breed. Looking at those cute wide set of eyes and that smiles, we are sure you would want to keep them as a pet too. 14. Okapi. On number 14 is Okapi, which is the only living relative of a giraffe that looks more like a zebra than a giraffe. Okapi goes by the nickname zebra giraffe. Okapi sightings are very rare because of their leeriness towards human beings. So your chances of encountering an Okapi in the wild are 0 to none. They are so hard to find that scientists had not even discovered them until the 1900s. Okapi lives in the Utari forest in the Dominican Republic of Congo. The area is inaccessible to travelers, so if you want to see this strange but beautiful animal, you would have to head to the White Oak Conversion Center in Florida. They are working on the conversion of this rare species. 13. Parrotfish. At 13th place, we have placed parrotfish. As you might already have guessed, this animal gets its name because of its resemblance to a parrot in certain ways. These animals use their external teeth that look like parrot's beak to break algae of rocks, corals, or any hard substrates. Due to this unique ability, these animals manage to survive in environment where other species can't. Parrotfish are found in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Another disturbing yet interesting fact about these animals is that they defecate sand. Yes, you heard that right. Parrotfish poop sand. Next time you go to the white sand beach, remember where the sand grains come from. Number 12. Red-lipped batfish. Another unique albeit weird fish entering our list of unique animals is the red-lipped batfish. The red-lipped batfish are native to Galapagos Islands, where they are found along the ocean floor. One look at this animal makes it look as if it has devoured a bloody delicious meal. It is said that the red color around their lips helps them identify each other for swapping. One more trait these fish possess is that their forehead has a protruding knob called elysium. When this dorsal fin matures, the elysium extends further, like a spine on the top of their head. Red-lipped batfish uses this to lure small prey. It also has a glowing lure called Esca at the top of the elysium, which helps reveal its prey to other fish in the surroundings. These traits helps them survive. Number 11. Saiga Antelope. Belonging to the group of antelope, we will introduce you to the beautiful Saiga Antelope. This beautiful group of antelopes can be found in Kazakhstan, Russia, and Western Mongolia. What makes the Saiga antelope stand out from its other counterparts is the usual snout, which resembles the anteaters quite a lot. This species faced a tragedy in 2015 in Kazakhstan when almost 200,000 Saiga antelopes died over a course of just few days. A mass bacterial infection in their snouts was found to be the reason of their sudden deaths. Number 10. Sea pen. At number 10 of our list lies the sea pen. Sea pen gets its name due to the fact that it looks like an old-fashioned quilt. They can be found in the deep waters from tropics to polar seas. Sea pens can be found moving in deep waters in colonies. That helps in their survival as a whole. When stimulated, sea pen glows with a bright green light. It is a beautiful sight to behold. Number 9. Lilac breasted roller. Beholds this beauty. At number 9, this list is the lilac breasted roller. These stunning colorful birds have around 8 colors. They get this name because of their mating display. In a mating show, This bird flies upward to about 33 feet and then swoop down with its wings closed. Another stunt they pull is that they roll from side to side while flying very fast. If the aerial countership is successful, they mate in the air. You would also be impressed to know that these tiny beauties are fierce hunters. They hunt anything ranging from snails and lizards to scorpions and snakes. They can be found in sub-Saharan deserts as well as the southern Arabian Peninsula. Number 8. Glaucus Atlanticus. Here comes the shellless gastropod mollusk Glaucus Atlanticus, which goes by the more common nickname as the Blue Angel and Dragon Slug. A fun fact about the Glaucus Atlanticus is that they float upside down and are carried by wind and ocean current. Isn't that just a dream? Also, these animals use their blue water with white strips as camouflage, mirroring the colors of the wave so that the predators from above can't spot them. They can be found in tropical oceans such as the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Oceans. They can also be found in oceans of Europe, Australia and Mozambique. Number 7. Australian Peacock Spider. I know most of you, including myself, are deathly scared of spiders, but will you just take a look at this stunning creature? Let us introduce you to an Australian peacock spider. It belongs to the jumping spider species, Geckos, and just like the case with peacocks, male peacock spiders are more vibrant in colors than their female counterparts. They use these vibrant hues to attract potential mates. Oh, and just to stun you a bit more, the female usually attempts to kill her male wooers, whether or not she is interested in the mating dance. Okay, I guess. The animal kingdom is pretty weird. Number 6. Narwhal. Haven't we all dreamed of seeing a unicorn? Meet the narwhal. This is the only animal discovered yet which holds a resemblance to the mythical unicorn due to the long tusk spiraling from its upper lip. The tusk is actually a massive spiraled canine tooth. They are known migratory animals that spend most of the year in a remote and cold waters. The purpose of their tusk is still debatable. Arguments range from breaking ice and hunting to them creating a built-in sensor for feeding. The tusk is mainly a feature of male narwhals, so that way very few female narwhals grow a tusk. Number 5. Venezuelan Poodle Moth. This stunner is as adorable in appearance as its name suggests. The Venezuelan Poodle Moth was the first seen in 2009 in Venezuela. It is attracted to the light just like any other moth, but what makes it stands out the hair it is covered in. This hair makes it looks like a poodle, however with wings. This moth is very rarely seen. It could be that they are wary of humans or just very few in numbers. Number 4. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. Despite what the name suggests, no, this creature is not the devil's spawn, but the second part of its name is pretty accurate, as this lizard's body and tail makes it look like a dried out brown leaf. As evolution will have, the skin has formed veins similar to what we see on the leaf. These geckos are found only on the islands of Madagascar. Apart from their plant-like appearance that helps them camouflage in their forest's surroundings, they possess other unique habits to avoid predators, some of which are flattering against the substrates, to make as little shadowy as possible, and shedding tail voluntary to trick their predator. Number 3. Japanese spider crab. Just to blow your minds away, we will start off by telling you the size of these creatures' legs. 12 feet. You heard that right. They are one of the world's largest arthropods, and their legs can grow up to 12 feet long. The Japanese spider crab's body is just about 15 inches long though. Their age span is about 15 years to a century even. It is said that they are not dangerous hunters, but even that surely should not make you get any close to them. Number 2. Panda Ant. At number 2, it is the cute and fuzzy looking insect called the panda ant. But do not be fooled by their innocent appearance. They could be more dangerous than the adorable panda bears. They are found in Chile and Argentina. The female panda ants are just wasps without wings. Their sting is very strong and venomous. Do not make the mistake of picking up a cute ant you see in Chile or Argentina, because you might regret it heavily. Number 1. Tarantula Hawk. We reach the end of our list now, where every other species seems to avoid the tarantula spiders, which is deadly. Let us introduce you to the Tarantula Hawk. that lies at number 1 on our list. Although tarantula spiders are considered in the insect world and somewhat of the champion due to its venom, but the tarantula hawk specifically targets tarantula spiders as food source. Brace yourselves for the information ahead. The female tarantula hawks are large in size and carry venom that helps in paralyzing a tarantula spider. She then actively goes on to lay her eggs inside the spider's body, which is still living. After the eggs hatch, the baby tarantula hawks prey on the still alive tarantula's body to gain strength. That has got to be painful for the spider. These nightmarish creatures are found throughout the South America. If you ever visit that place, be sure to avoid any contact with a tarantula hawk, as they are said to sting humans as well. That's it for today's video, folks. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will be sure to bring you more interesting videos ahead. Like, share and comment below. Stay safe, my lovely subscribers.